Nurse Ellie, I've reassessed Mr. Dawson's case. His persistent fatigue isn't aligning with his stable hemoglobin. His CRP is elevated, but there's no clear infection source. More concerning, his INR is fluctuating despite consistent warfarin dosing. He denies missing doses, but his daughter mentioned he's been taking over-the-counter painkillers for his arthritis, which he didn't report earlier.
So, the fatigue could be inflammatory. And the INR instability, should we suspect non-compliance, or could it be the NSAID's MIHIRA?
Unlikely non-compliance. His prescription history shows perfect refills. The NSAIDs are the probable culprit, they potentiate warfarin unpredictably. But let's not overlook his recent weight loss. His albumin's dropped, which also affects warfarin metabolism.
Understood. MIHIRA. Discontinue NSAIDs, switch to paracetamol, and monitor INR daily. And the fatigue, should we investigate for malignancy given the weight loss?
Hold on. Malignancy, his ESR is only mildly raised. First, address the NSAID interaction and reassess. If fatigue persists, we'll escalate.
Mihira, I want to take a moment to gently explain where the focus of your care is right now, and I hope it brings you some comfort. At this stage, the most important thing for your medical team is not to cure an illness, but to ensure you feel as comfortable and at peace as possible. This means our primary goal is to relieve any symptoms you might have, such as pain or shortness of breath, so your body isn't fighting so hard. Above all, we are committed to protecting your dignity, honoring your wishes, and making sure you are treated with the utmost respect every step of the way. You are not alone in this, as a full team is here to support not just your medical needs, but your whole well-being. Alongside your doctors and nurses, we have social workers who can help with any practical or emotional concerns, counselors who are here to listen and support your emotional journey, and spiritual care providers if you would like someone to talk to about matters of faith or meaning. Everyone is here to support you in the way that feels right for you.